We're up at Wilkins in Tiptree. As you know, I go around the farm and see what's going on. And with me, I've got Dan, and he's here leaning on the gate. Now, I'm going to lean on the gate and look across this field here. Tell me, Dan, what do you use this field for? Because it's pretty just cut grass.
It's cut grass. So this is what our events field, or the Jubilee orchard, as we call it. I mean, you remember we used to have a maze in the shape of a strawberry back there.
Yeah.
That's now sadly gone, but we host Open Farm Sunday here, which is this year 8th of June. You're more than welcome to come along, and we have a series of different exhibits here, including Coles, the patisserie, our Thursday cottage. We have composting display, we have Essex Wildlife Trust, RSPB, Stowe Murray's aerodrome, they come along, ice cream van, millions of Tiptree. So it's a very, very busy field. We do farm tours with Lodge's coaches and our tractor and trailer as well. So you can go around the farm and sort of learn the history and what we're growing, as what we normally touch on with the pieces. Very busy hour, 4 hours, 10 till 2. And we also use this field for school events. So if we do school tours with primary and some earlier secondary school, we come here to finish the tour. We play a couple of word games, and then we allow them, if they want to use it for a lunch area as well.
Now, this Farm Sunday is an event across. Is it across the country?
It is, yes. So it's through Leaf Mark. They encourage farms to open the gates or barn doors in some respects for farmers to come and teach people of what they're doing.
Because not enough people know. I mean, okay, you pick up a punnet of strawberries in the supermarket, but you don't actually know where it's come from always, do you?
Absolutely. So
and how it's grown.
Absolutely. So it's like a quick snapshot of what's going on in the area. So we have people from all over the village. They come, and I think sometimes they can't quite believe just how in-depth it is here. So it's great, and have to have local businesses come and help support. It's also very good for them.
Yeah.
So
that is just go back to that. That's on June
the 8th this year. Yeah.
June the 8th.
Yep, 10 until 2.
Up at Tiptree. Go along and see what's going on. Have a trip round the farm, just like I'm lucky enough to show the people of World Radio Gardening my little trips around the farm. They'll be able to have a trip around the farm as well.
Absolutely, and you can try some of the products and fruit.
Can't be bad.